Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt's Custom Countertops and Creations. This is that end table that was commissioned to be refurbished. It is finished, so I'm getting ready to drop it off with the client right now. Just thought I'd take a quick video. I did keep the same pull the same. This is for a children's room at a daycare, so I thought that was a pretty whimsical pull on the single drawer there and decided to keep it. Client asked for a purple marble. Came out a little bit darker than what we were initially expecting, but there's definitely purple going on here, along with this additive, which is plum blue. This is a Pennsylvania house original that has been refurbished. So let me know what you think. Do all the social media stuff, and see you on the next one.